Congratulations on your purchase of your new Lourdes Hydrofix Premium Edition. In this video, we will cover how to replace the cartridge. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for additional instructional videos. These videos are filled with helpful tips on how to better care for your premium hydrogen machine so that it will last for many years to come. If the cartridge replacement indicator lights up, please do the following. First, unplug the AC adapter from the machine before you change the cartridge. Then carefully move the machine to the sink without splashing the water in the pitcher tray. Open the drainage plug over the sink and empty the water. Always drain the water in the pitcher tray through the drainage hole. Do not ever tip the machine. Then wipe to clean any excess water still in the pitcher area. As a reminder, be careful not to lose the drainage plug and do not forget to insert it again. Finally, open the reservoir tank lid and remove the old cartridge by lifting the cartridge straight upwards. Next, let's set the new cartridge. Remove the plastic wrapper and we're ready to begin. Place the cartridge under room temperature running water and shake it lightly for a few seconds to help the contents settle. Check to see if water is draining through the cartridge. If the cartridge is still clogged, tap the side or the bottom of the cartridge and shake it to remove any clumps formed inside of the cartridge. Water that runs through the cartridge into the pitcher tray may be light red or brown when the cartridge is new or is dried out. This color is completely normal. The discoloration is caused by deposits from the cartridge and is a normal occurrence, and it will turn clear after a few uses. Water in the pitcher tray is only used for the electrolysis process and does not affect the quality and hygiene of the water inside the pitcher. Set the cartridge back into the reservoir tank. Next, using the included measuring cup, carefully pour 100 milliliters or 100 cc's of room temperature drinking water directly into the cartridge inside the reservoir tank. Try to keep the base unit dry by using a funnel if needed. If any water spills on the base unit, promptly wipe it off. Do not overfill the cartridge and do not add water directly to the pitcher tray. The water you add to the cartridge will run through the cartridge and fill the pitcher tray in a few seconds. Next, replace the pitcher by carefully lining up the placement guides of the pitcher and the pitcher tray and set the pitcher onto the tray straight down. Then, plug in your Lourdes Hydrofix and you will see the glowing blue power button lit. Once the tray has the proper amount of water, the orange water shortage indicator light on the front of the base unit will turn off. Now depress the cartridge reset button here for 1 to 2 seconds with a toothpick. If the cartridge replacement indicator light was flashing, the light will turn off. Your Hydrofix Premium Edition is now ready to make hydrogen water. Make sure the orange water shortage indicator light on the base unit is off and the blue light on the power button is lit. The device will not operate when the water shortage indicator is still on. Press the power button once. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoy your new Lourdes Hydrofix Premium Edition. And don't forget that we have other instructional videos on our YouTube channel, including storage, draining, and cleaning, that will teach you how to care and maintain your machine so that it will last for many years to come. Welcome to Holy Hydrogen.